The blue marble, our cosmic oasis. From the vast emptiness of space, Earth shines. A vibrant sphere of blue and green, it stands out against the dark backdrop of the cosmos. This is our home, a planet teeming with life, a place of awe-inspiring beauty and unparalleled diversity. Our journey begins here, gazing at this celestial marvel, our very own cosmic oasis. We are about to embark on an exploration of Earth's wonders. The first images of Earth from space changed our perspective forever. They revealed a fragile beauty, a delicate balance of land, water, and swirling clouds. This blue marble captured the imagination of the world. It highlighted our planet's isolation in the vastness of space. Yet it also sparked a sense of wonder, a desire to understand our world. Our journey will take us across continents and oceans, from the frozen poles to the lush tropics. We will delve into the heart of raging volcanoes and plunge into the depths of the deepest trenches. Encounter creatures both magnificent and strange, forces of nature that amaze and humble us. Prepare to be surprised, to have your assumptions challenged, for Earth is a place of endless fascination. Open your mind, embrace the unknown, and join me on this incredible adventure.
The beauty of Earth lies in its intricate details. Zoom in, and you'll discover a tapestry of wonder. Diverse ecosystems and life forms, from the Himalayas to the Great Barrier Reef. Earth is a visual feast. Consider the Aurora Borealis, a celestial ballet of lights, or the Amazon rainforest, teeming with life. Journey to the African savanna, or stand beneath the redwoods. Each place tells a unique story. Grasp the complexity of Earth's systems.
Earth's beauty is not confined to its surface. Beneath the waves lie hidden depths, home to mysterious creatures and landscapes as alien as any science fiction movie. Descend into the abyssal plains, where bioluminescent creatures light up the perpetual darkness, their eerie glow illuminating a world without sunlight. Explore the depths of the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth. Here, under crushing pressure and in complete darkness, life persists against all odds. Strange and wonderful creatures adapted to this extreme environment thrive in this hidden world. From giant squid to anglerfish with their bioluminescent lures, the deep sea is a realm of mystery and wonder. Ascend to the soaring heights of the Himalayas, the rooftop of the world. Here, amidst the jagged peaks and glaciers that pierce the sky, you'll find a landscape sculpted by the relentless forces of plate tectonics. The air thins, the temperature plummets, but the views are breathtaking. From the depths of the ocean to the summits of the highest mountains, Earth offers a staggering range of environments, each with its own unique challenges and wonders. These extremes remind us of the incredible power of nature and the tenacity of life, which finds a way to flourish even in the most unexpected places.
Earth is a dynamic, ever-changing planet. Beneath its seemingly solid surface, a molten heart beats, driving the movement of continents, creating volcanoes and triggering earthquakes. This constant geological activity is the pulse of the planet, a reminder that Earth is far from static. Witness the raw power of a volcanic eruption as molten rock explodes from the Earth's core, spewing ash and gas into the atmosphere. While destructive, these eruptions also play a vital role in shaping the planet, creating new land and enriching the soil. Feel the Earth move beneath your feet during an earthquake, a stark reminder of the immense forces at work beneath the Earth's crust. These tremors, though sometimes devastating, are part of the ongoing process of plate tectonics, the slow dance of the continents that has shaped our planet's surface over millions of years. These geological processes, though often perceived as destructive, are essential to life on Earth. They are a testament to the planet's dynamism, a reminder that change is the only constant in the grand scheme of geological time.
Section 5. A Symphony of Elements. Earth is a symphony of elements, a delicate balance of fire, water, earth, and air. Each element plays a crucial role in shaping the planet's climate, shaping its landscapes, and supporting life. The interplay of these elements creates a dynamic and ever-changing environment that is both beautiful and awe-inspiring. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, covers over 70% of Earth's surface. From the vast expanse of the oceans to the intricate network of rivers and lakes, water is essential to all life. It carves canyons, shapes coastlines, and provides a habitat for countless creatures. Air, the invisible blanket that surrounds our planet, is equally vital. It provides the oxygen we breathe, regulates our climate, and protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. The atmosphere is a complex and dynamic system, constantly in motion, driven by temperature differences and the Earth's rotation. Earth, the solid ground beneath our feet, provides the foundation for life. It is a rich tapestry of rock, soil, and minerals, shaped by geological forces over eons. From fertile plains to towering mountains, the Earth's surface is incredibly diverse, offering a wide range of habitats for life to flourish.
The fury of volcanoes. Imagine standing on the slopes of a volcano, feeling the ground tremble beneath your feet. The air is thick with the smell of sulfur, and a plume of smoke rises from the crater. Volcanoes remind us that our planet is a living entity, capable of both beauty and destruction. When a volcano erupts, it's a glimpse into the fiery heart of our planet. Molten rock, or magma, rises from deep within the Earth's mantle. As magma nears the surface, it can erupt explosively, spewing ash, gas, and lava. Volcanic eruptions, while devastating, are also a creative force. Over millions of years, volcanic activity has shaped our planet's surface. Section 2. Rivers of Fire, a glimpse into Earth's core. The sight of lava flowing down the slopes of a volcano is both mesmerizing and terrifying. These rivers of fire, reaching temperatures of over 1,000 degrees Celsius, can incinerate everything in their path. Yet, they also offer a unique glimpse into the composition of Earth's interior. Lava is molten rock that has erupted onto the Earth's surface. It comes in various forms, from slow-moving, viscous flows to fast-moving rivers of molten rock. The type of lava erupted depends on the composition of the magma, which in turn is influenced by the tectonic setting of the volcano. As lava cools and solidifies, it forms igneous rocks, such as basalt and rhyolite. These rocks provide a record of past volcanic activity, allowing geologists to piece together the history of Earth's volcanic past. By studying the composition of lava and volcanic rocks, scientists can learn about the processes that occur deep within our planet. Volcanoes, though often perceived as destructive forces, are an integral part of Earth's dynamic system. They are a testament to the immense heat and pressure that exist beneath our feet, a reminder that our planet is a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving and changing.
On a clear night, far from city lights, you might be lucky enough to witness one of nature's most spectacular displays, the aurora borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. This celestial ballet of shimmering lights, dancing across the night sky in hues of green, pink, and purple, has captivated skywatchers for centuries. The aurora borealis is caused by charged particles from the sun, known as the solar wind, colliding with atoms in Earth's atmosphere. These collisions excite the atoms, causing them to release energy in the form of light. The color of the aurora depends on the type of atom that is excited. The northern lights are most commonly seen in high-latitude regions such as Alaska, Canada, Scandinavia, and Russia. However, during periods of intense solar activity, the aurora can be seen further south. The aurora borealis is a reminder that Earth is not isolated in space but is constantly bombarded by particles from the sun. This celestial display is a beautiful example of the interaction between Earth and its cosmic environment.
In the depths of the ocean, hidden from sunlight and under immense pressure, lies a world stranger than fiction hydrothermal vents. These underwater hot springs, spewing superheated water rich in dissolved minerals, support unique ecosystems that thrive in the absence of sunlight. Hydrothermal vents are found along mid-ocean ridges, where tectonic plates are pulling apart. Seawater seeps into cracks in the ocean floor, is heated by magma deep within the earth, and then rises back to the surface, carrying dissolved minerals. As the superheated water meets the cold seawater, minerals precipitate out, forming chimney-like structures. The discovery of hydrothermal vents in the 1970s revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. These ecosystems are home to a unique array of creatures, including giant tube worms, blind shrimp, and clams with symbiotic bacteria that can convert chemicals into energy through a process called chemosynthesis. The study of hydrothermal vents has provided valuable insights into the origins of life on Earth and the potential for life on other planets. These extreme environments demonstrate that life can exist in the most unexpected places, thriving in the absence of sunlight and under conditions once thought to be uninhabitable.
Imagine a river so vast it appears as an inland sea on a map, a rainforest so immense it breathes for the entire planet. This is Amazonia, the green heart of Earth. Spanning 9 countries, the Amazon is the largest tropical rainforest, crucial for global climate. The Amazon River, its lifeblood, carries more water than any other river. From the Andes, it flows over 6,000 kilometers to the Atlantic. The Amazon is a tapestry of life, supporting an array of plants and animals. Towering trees form a dense canopy, creating a shaded environment. Monkeys swing, macaws screech, and jaguars stalk their prey. A symphony of life. The Amazon's biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is a biodiversity hotspot, home to an estimated 10% of the world's known species. Scientists believe that countless more species remain undiscovered in this vast and largely unexplored wilderness. From jaguars to poison dart frogs, macaws to monkeys, the Amazon is teeming with life in every shape and size. Insects are the most abundant creatures in the Amazon, with an estimated 2.5 million species. These include colourful butterflies, industrious ants, and bioluminescent beetles. The rainforest is also home to over 400 species of mammals, including jaguars, tapirs, sloths, and monkeys. Over 1,000 species of birds call the Amazon home, their calls filling the air with a cacophony of sound. The rainforest is also home to a staggering array of reptiles and amphibians, including anacondas, caimans, poison dart frogs, and glass frogs. The Amazon's biodiversity is not just a spectacle of nature, it's a vital resource for humanity. The rainforest provides us with food, medicine, and clean air and water. It also plays a crucial role in regulating global climate, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Beneath the canopy. Secrets of the rainforest floor. While the canopy of the Amazon rainforest teems with life, the forest floor is a world of its own. Here, in the dim light filtered by the dense foliage above, a different cast of characters plays out the drama of life and death. Decomposers, such as fungi and insects, break down fallen leaves and branches, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. The forest floor is a battleground for survival, where predators and prey are locked in an eternal struggle. Jaguars, the apex predators of the Amazon, stalk their prey silently through the undergrowth, their spotted coats providing excellent camouflage. Smaller predators, such as snakes, spiders, and scorpions, also abound on the forest floor. These creatures have evolved a variety of hunting strategies, from venomous bites to sticky webs, to secure their next meal. The forest floor is also home to a variety of plant life, including ferns, orchids, and bromeliads. These plants have adapted to the low light conditions and high humidity of the rainforest understory. Their leaves often brightly colored to attract pollinators.
The Great Barrier Reef, a coral city under the sea. Imagine a city under the sea teeming with life in every color imaginable. Coral reefs, massive structures built by tiny animals called polyps, are the most biodiverse ecosystems in the ocean, rivaling even the Amazon rainforest in their variety of life. And the Great Barrier Reef, stretching for over 2,300 kilometers along the northeastern coast of Australia, is the largest coral reef system in the world. From the air, the Great Barrier Reef appears as a ribbon of turquoise blue, a shimmering jewel against the deep blue of the Coral Sea. But beneath the surface, a world of wonder awaits. Hard corals, resembling underwater gardens, provide shelter and habitat for a dazzling array of marine life. Fish in every color of the rainbow dart in and out of the coral, their scales shimmering in the sunlight that filters through the water. Sea turtles graze on seagrass meadows, while sharks and rays patrol the reef's edges, their sleek bodies gliding effortlessly through the water. The Great Barrier Reef is a symphony of life, a testament to the power of nature's creativity. It's a place of wonder and beauty, a reminder that our planet is home to ecosystems of astonishing diversity and complexity.
Section 5. A kaleidoscope of color. Life on the reef. The Great Barrier Reef is a kaleidoscope of color, a living tapestry woven from the vibrant hues of its inhabitants. Coral polyps, the tiny animals that build the reef, come in a dazzling array of colors, from brilliant pinks and purples to electric blues and greens. Fish, the most visible inhabitants of the reef, add to the spectacle of color. Parrotfish, with their beak-like mouths, graze on algae, their scales shimmering with iridescent blues, greens, and yellows. Clownfish, made famous by the movie Finding Nemo, live in symbiotic relationships with anemones, their bright orange bodies a stark contrast to the anemone's tentacles. Sea stars in shades of red, orange, and blue cling to the reef, their arms slowly moving as they feed on algae and small invertebrates. Nudibranchs, also known as sea slugs, are among the most colorful creatures on the reef, their bodies adorned with intricate patterns and vibrant hues. The diversity of life on the Great Barrier Reef is staggering. Scientists estimate that over 1,500 species of fish, 4,000 species of mollusks, and 400 species of coral live on the reef. This incredible biodiversity is a testament to the richness and complexity of marine ecosystems.
Section 1. Echoes of Lost Worlds. Mass extinctions. Our planet bears the scars of past catastrophes, echoes of lost worlds that remind us of the fragility of life. Throughout Earth's history, mass extinctions wiped out vast numbers of species, reshaping evolution. These events provided opportunities for new life forms, leading to today's diversity. Fossils offer glimpses into these lost worlds, telling stories of ancient ecosystems. Understanding past extinctions helps us prepare for future challenges like climate change. Section 2. The Great Dying. When life on Earth nearly ended. Of all the mass extinctions that have ravaged our planet, the Permian-Triassic extinction event, also known as the Great Dying, stands out as the most severe. Occurring around 252 million years ago, this cataclysmic event wiped out an estimated 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species. The exact cause of the Great Dying is still debated by scientists, but evidence suggests that massive volcanic eruptions in what is now Siberia played a major role. These eruptions released enormous amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, causing rapid climate change, ocean acidification, and widespread oxygen depletion in the oceans. The environmental devastation caused by the Great Dying was unprecedented in Earth's history. Oceans became stagnant and toxic, killing off most marine life. On land, forests withered and died, leading to widespread soil erosion and desertification. The ecosystems that existed before the Great Dying were decimated, paving the way for a new world order. The Great Dying was a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of Earth's systems, and the devastating consequences of rapid environmental change. It is a cautionary tale for our own time as we grapple with the challenges of climate change and biodiversity loss. Section 3. Cataclysm and Renewal, the Rise of the Dinosaurs. In the aftermath of the Great Dying, life on Earth was slow to recover. The ecosystems that emerged were vastly different from those that had existed before. But from the ashes of this cataclysm arose a new era, one dominated by reptiles, including the iconic dinosaurs. The Triassic period, which followed the Permian, saw the emergence of the first dinosaurs. These early dinosaurs were relatively small and bipedal, but they quickly diversified and evolved, taking advantage of the ecological niches left vacant by the extinction of earlier life forms. By the Jurassic period, dinosaurs had become the dominant land animals on Earth. Giants like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus, some reaching lengths of over 30 meters, roamed the Earth, their long necks reaching high into the trees to graze on foliage. Predatory dinosaurs, such as Allosaurus and Ceratosaurus, evolved to hunt these giants, their sharp teeth and powerful jaws making them formidable predators. The reign of the dinosaurs lasted for over 180 million years, a testament to their evolutionary success. They adapted to a wide range of environments, from deserts to forests to coastal plains. Their reign came to an abrupt end, however, with another cataclysmic event, the Chicxulub asteroid impact. The day the dinosaurs died. An asteroid's impact. 66 million years ago, a 10-kilometer-wide asteroid hit near the Yucatan Peninsula. The impact released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. It wiped out the dinosaurs and many other life forms. The Chicxulub crater marks this catastrophic event. Earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires followed. Dust blocked the sun, causing a global impact winter. Temperatures plummeted, and food chains collapsed. The dinosaurs couldn't survive this catastrophe. This event paved the way for mammals to rise. Section 5. A new era begins, the rise of mammals. In the shadow of the dinosaurs, a new group of animals was quietly evolving. The mammals. Small, furry, and mostly nocturnal, mammals had existed alongside the dinosaurs for millions of years, but their evolutionary potential was limited by the dominance of their reptilian counterparts. The Chicxulub asteroid impact, though devastating for much of life on Earth, created opportunities for those lineages that survived. With the dinosaurs gone, mammals were able to diversify and evolve, filling the ecological niches left vacant by their extinct predecessors. The Paleocene epoch, which followed the Cretaceous, saw the rapid evolution of mammals. From small, shrew-like creatures, mammals diversified into a wide range of forms, including herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. They evolved adaptations for different environments, from the oceans to the trees to the air. The rise of mammals was a pivotal event in Earth's history. It led to the evolution of primates, the lineage that eventually gave rise to humans. Our own species, Homo sapiens, is a product of this long and tumultuous evolutionary journey, a journey shaped by both cataclysmic events and the slow, steady march of natural selection.
Section 6. Continental drift. The dance of the continents. Our planet's surface is in constant motion, a slow but relentless dance of continents that has shaped the course of life on Earth. This phenomenon, known as continental drift, is driven by the movement of tectonic plates, massive slabs of Earth's lithosphere that float atop the planet's molten mantle. The idea of continental drift was first proposed by Alfred Wegener, a German meteorologist and geophysicist in the early 20th century. Wegener noticed that the continents fit together like puzzle pieces, and that there were similarities in the fossil record and geological formations on continents now separated by vast oceans. Wegener's theory was initially met with skepticism, but it was eventually confirmed by the discovery of mid-ocean ridges, underwater mountain ranges where new oceanic crust is formed, and magnetic striping on the ocean floor, which provided evidence for the spreading of the seafloor. Continental drift is a slow process, occurring at rates of centimeters per year. But over millions of years, it has dramatically reshaped Earth's surface, causing continents to collide, mountains to rise, and oceans to form and disappear. Section 7, From Pangaea to 7 Continents, A Journey Through Time. Imagine a time when all of Earth's continents were joined together in a single, massive supercontinent called Pangaea, surrounded by a vast global ocean called Panthalassa. This was Earth about 250 million years ago, during the Permian period. Over millions of years, however, Pangaea began to break apart, driven by the movement of tectonic plates. This breakup was not a single event, but a series of rifts and collisions that gradually reshaped Earth's surface. By the Jurassic period, about 180 million years ago, Pangaea had split into 2 smaller supercontinents, Laurasia in the north and Gondwana in the south. Laurasia eventually broke apart to form North America, Europe, and Asia, while Gondwana fragmented to form South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, and the Indian subcontinent. The breakup of Pangaea had profound consequences for life on Earth. It led to the isolation of populations, driving speciation and the evolution of new species. It also influenced ocean currents and climate patterns, contributing to the diversity of ecosystems we see today. Section 8. The Birth of Mountains and Oceans, Plate Tectonics at Work. The movement of tectonic plates is not just a matter of continents drifting across the Earth's surface. It's a dynamic process that creates some of Earth's most dramatic geological features, from towering mountain ranges to vast ocean basins. When tectonic plates collide, they can buckle and fold, pushing up massive mountain ranges. The Himalayas, for example, the highest mountain range on Earth, were formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian plates, a process that began about 50 million years ago and continues today. When tectonic plates move apart or diverge, magma from Earth's mantle rises to fill the gap, creating new oceanic crust. This process, known as seafloor spreading, is responsible for the formation of mid-ocean ridges, underwater mountain ranges that encircle the globe. Plate tectonics also plays a role in the formation of ocean basins. As new oceanic crust is created at mid-ocean ridges, older crust is pushed away, eventually sinking back into the mantle at subduction zones, where one tectonic plate slides beneath another. This process creates deep ocean trenches, such as the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth. Section 9. Earth's Restless Surface, Earthquakes and Volcanoes. The movement of tectonic plates is not always slow and gradual. It can also be sudden and violent, resulting in earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. These events, though potentially destructive, are a reminder that Earth is a dynamic planet, its surface constantly reshaped by forces deep within. Earthquakes occur when stress builds up along fault lines, boundaries between tectonic plates. When the stress exceeds the strength of the rocks, they rupture, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves that travel through Earth, causing the ground to shake. Volcanoes are formed when magma, molten rock from Earth's mantle, rises to the surface. This can occur at divergent plate boundaries, where plates move apart, or at convergent plate boundaries, where one plate slides beneath another. Volcanic eruptions can be explosive, sending ash and gas high into the atmosphere, or effusive, producing rivers of molten lava. Earthquakes and volcanoes are a natural part of Earth's dynamism. While they can pose risks to human populations, they also play a vital role in shaping Earth's surface, creating new land, enriching soil, and influencing climate patterns. Section 10. Shaping the Future, the ongoing legacy of geological change. The Earth we know today is a product of billions of years of geological change, a continuous process of creation and destruction that continues to shape our planet. From the slow drift of continents to the sudden violence of earthquakes and volcanoes, these geological forces have shaped Earth's surface, influenced the evolution of life, and continue to play a vital role in the planet's systems. The legacy of past geological events is all around us. The continents we live on, the mountains we climb, the oceans we sail across, all are products of geological processes that have been operating for eons. Understanding these processes is essential for understanding our planet's history, present, and future. As we face the challenges of the 21st century, including climate change, resource depletion, and environmental degradation, it is more important than ever to appreciate the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the role that geological processes play in shaping our world. By studying Earth's past, we gain insights into the forces that have shaped our planet and the resilience of life in the face of change. This knowledge can help us make informed decisions about how to manage our planet's resources and ensure a sustainable future for all.
Section 1, Hidden Wonders Unveiling Earth's Underground Realms. Our journey now takes us beneath the surface into the hidden depths of our planet, where a world of mystery and wonder awaits. Beneath our feet lies a realm of darkness and silence, a labyrinth of caves, tunnels, and underground rivers, carved by water, time, and the restless forces of the Earth. These subterranean realms, often overlooked in our exploration of the planet's surface, hold secrets to Earth's history, harbor unique and fragile ecosystems, and offer a glimpse into the raw power of geological processes. Caves formed over millennia by the dissolving action of acidic water on soluble rock are like time capsules, preserving evidence of past climates, ancient life forms, and even the activities of early humans. Underground rivers and lakes, hidden from sunlight and the rhythms of day and night, support unique and often bizarre life forms that have adapted to these extreme environments, offering insights into the tenacity and adaptability of life on Earth. Caving to curiosity, exploring the world below. For centuries, humans have been drawn to the mystery and allure of caves, venturing into the darkness to explore the unknown, to seek shelter or spiritual connection, and to unravel the secrets hidden within. Today, caving or spelunking is a popular activity for adventurers and scientists alike, offering a unique perspective on our planet. Armed with headlamps, ropes, and a thirst for discovery, cavers navigate through narrow passages, rappel down vertical shafts, and wade through underground streams, their senses heightened by the darkness and the echoes of dripping water. The rewards of caving are many. Caves offer a glimpse into the raw power of geological processes, revealing the intricate beauty of stalactites and stalagmites, formations that grow over millennia as mineral-rich water drips from the cave ceiling. Caves also provide a window into the past, preserving fossils of extinct animals, ancient cave paintings left by our ancestors, and archaeological artifacts that shed light on human history and cultural practices.
Deep within the Earth's crust, hidden from view, lies a treasure trove of natural wonders minerals. These inorganic, crystalline solids, formed over millions of years through geological processes, are the building blocks of rocks and the source of a dazzling array of colors, shapes, and properties. Minerals are as diverse as the planet itself, ranging from common substances like quartz and feldspar to rare and precious gemstones like diamonds, rubies, and emeralds. Each mineral has a unique chemical composition and crystal structure, which determine its physical properties, such as hardness, color, luster, and cleavage. The study of minerals, known as mineralogy, is a fascinating field that combines chemistry, physics, and geology. Mineralogists identify, classify, and analyze minerals, unraveling the secrets of their formation and their role in Earth's processes. Minerals are not just objects of scientific curiosity, they are essential to human civilization. From the construction materials that build our cities to the metals that power our technology, minerals are ubiquitous in our daily lives. From gemstones to building blocks, the value of minerals. Minerals are more than just beautiful objects. They are essential resources that underpin our economy, technology, and way of life. From the smartphones in our pockets to the buildings we live in, minerals are ubiquitous in our daily lives. Metals, such as iron, aluminum, copper, and gold, are extracted from ores, rocks that contain economically viable concentrations of minerals. These metals are used to manufacture everything from cars and airplanes to computers and medical equipment. Industrial minerals, such as limestone, gypsum, and salt, are used in construction, manufacturing, and agriculture. For example, limestone is used to make cement, gypsum is used in drywall, and salt is used in food preservation and road de-icing. Gemstones, prized for their beauty and rarity, are used in jewelry and adornment. Diamonds, the hardest known natural substance, are also used in industrial applications, such as cutting tools and abrasives.
Section 5. The sixth extinction. A crisis of our own making. Our journey through Earth's wonders takes a somber turn as we confront a crisis of our own making, the sixth mass extinction. Unlike previous extinction events, triggered by natural disasters, this one is driven by human activities, our insatiable appetite for resources, and our disregard for the delicate balance of nature. Scientists estimate that current extinction rates are 1,000 to 10,000 times higher than the natural background rate, with species disappearing at an alarming pace. Habitat loss, climate change, pollution, overexploitation, and invasive species are driving this biodiversity crisis. The consequences of this mass extinction are far-reaching. As species disappear, ecosystems lose their resilience, making them more vulnerable to collapse. This loss of biodiversity threatens the essential services that ecosystems provide, such as clean air and water, pollination, and climate regulation. The sixth extinction is not just an environmental crisis, it is a humanitarian crisis. The loss of biodiversity undermines food security, increases the risk of disease outbreaks, and exacerbates poverty and social inequality.
Section 6. The Anthropocene. Humans as a geological force. Human activities have become so pervasive and impactful that they are leaving a lasting mark on our planet, ushering in a new geological epoch, the Anthropocene. This proposed epoch, which follows the Holocene, recognizes the profound influence of human actions on Earth's systems. From the Industrial Revolution onwards, human activities, such as fossil fuel combustion, deforestation, and industrial agriculture, have dramatically altered Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and land surface. These changes are evident in the rising concentrations of greenhouse gases, the acidification of oceans, and the widespread alteration of land cover. The Anthropocene is marked by the unprecedented scale and pace of human-induced changes. Never before has a single species exerted such a profound influence on the planet, leading some scientists to argue that we are now living in a no-analog state, a world outside the range of natural variability experienced in Earth's history. The concept of the Anthropocene is not without controversy, but it highlights the urgent need to address the challenges of living in a human-dominated world and finding ways to ensure a sustainable future for both humanity and the planet.
Section 7. The Web of Life Unraveling. Biodiversity loss and its impacts. The loss of biodiversity is not just about the disappearance of individual species, it's about the unraveling of the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Every species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a role in its ecosystem, contributing to the functioning of the whole. The extinction of a single species can have cascading effects throughout an ecosystem, disrupting food webs, altering nutrient cycles, and increasing the vulnerability of other species to extinction. This domino effect, known as co-extinction, can lead to the collapse of entire ecosystems. The loss of biodiversity also has direct impacts on human well-being. Ecosystem services, the benefits that humans derive from nature, such as clean air and water, pollination, climate regulation, and disease control, are threatened by the decline of biodiversity. For example, the loss of pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and bats could have devastating consequences for agriculture, as these creatures play a vital role in fertilizing crops. Similarly, the loss of forests, wetlands, and other natural habitats reduces our ability to mitigate climate change, as these ecosystems absorb and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Despite the daunting challenges of the sixth extinction, there is still hope. Around the world, individuals, communities, organizations, and governments are working tirelessly to conserve biodiversity, protect endangered species, and restore degraded ecosystems. Conservation efforts take many forms, from establishing protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife refuges, to implementing sustainable fishing and forestry practices, to combating illegal wildlife trade and reducing pollution. Technological advances, such as remote sensing, DNA analysis, and artificial intelligence, are providing new tools for monitoring biodiversity, identifying threats, and developing targeted conservation strategies. Education and awareness raising are crucial for fostering a sense of stewardship for the planet and inspiring action. By understanding the value of biodiversity and the consequences of its loss, we can all make choices that contribute to a more sustainable future.
In the fight to protect biodiversity, indigenous communities who have lived in close harmony with nature for millennia hold invaluable knowledge and wisdom. Their traditional ecological knowledge, passed down through generations, provides insights into the intricate relationships between species and their environments. Indigenous communities often act as stewards of their lands and waters, managing resources sustainably and protecting biodiversity. Their traditional practices, such as controlled burning, rotational grazing, and selective harvesting, can help maintain ecosystem health and prevent degradation. Recognizing the importance of indigenous knowledge, conservation organizations and governments are increasingly partnering with indigenous communities, incorporating their perspectives and practices into conservation strategies. By respecting indigenous rights, supporting their self-determination, and valuing their knowledge, we can learn from their wisdom and work together to create a more sustainable and equitable future for all.
The human touch, our enduring fascination with Earth. Throughout history, humans have been captivated by the wonders of our planet. Our fascination drives us to understand, experience, and protect it. We depend on Earth for our survival, the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. Protecting this planet is crucial for future generations.
Scaling giants, the allure of mountains. Towering above the landscape, their peaks often shrouded in clouds, mountains have always held a special allure for humans. They represent the pinnacle of our planet's grandeur, challenging us to test our limits and offering breathtaking views from their summits. For centuries, climbers have been drawn to these majestic giants, seeking adventure, spiritual enlightenment, or simply the satisfaction of conquering a physical challenge. The Himalayas, home to Mount Everest, the world's highest peak, are a magnet for mountaineers from around the globe. The arduous climb to the summit through thin air and treacherous terrain is a testament to human endurance and the indomitable spirit of exploration. But the allure of mountains extends beyond the thrill of the climb. For many, mountains are sacred places imbued with spiritual significance. In the Himalayas, for example, Mount Kailash is revered by Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Bonpos as a sacred pilgrimage site. Mountains also play a vital role in supporting life on Earth. They act as water towers, storing snow and ice that melt to feed rivers and provide water for billions of people downstream. They are also home to a rich diversity of plant and animal life, adapted to the unique conditions of high altitudes. Deep dive, exploring the ocean's depths. The ocean depths embody Earth's mystery. Covering over 70% of our planet, the ocean is largely unexplored. From sunlit waters to dark abyssal plains, the ocean offers endless discovery. Submersibles and ROVs allow us to venture into the ocean's depths. In 1960, Pickard and Walsh descended to the Mariana Trench in the Trieste. Today, scientists use advanced technology to explore and discover new species. Section 4. the call of the wild adventures in nature. The desire to connect with nature, to experience its raw beauty and immerse ourselves in its rhythms, is deeply ingrained in the human psyche. From weekend hikes in local parks to expeditions to remote wilderness areas, adventures in nature offer a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with something larger than ourselves. For some, the call of the wild is a siren song, beckoning them to embark on epic journeys to distant lands. They trek through rainforests, climb mountains, kayak down raging rivers, or camp under the stars in vast deserts, seeking adventure, solitude, or a deeper understanding of the natural world. For others, adventures in nature are more about finding peace and tranquility in familiar surroundings. A walk in the woods, a day at the beach, or a picnic by a lake can be just as rejuvenating as a wilderness expedition, offering a chance to slow down, breathe fresh air, and appreciate the simple beauty of the natural world. Whatever form they take, adventures in nature are an important part of the human experience, offering physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. They remind us of our interconnectedness with the natural world and inspire us to protect it.
Section 5. Fragile Giants, Protecting Our Planet's Titans. Earth is home to a remarkable array of giants, from towering trees to massive marine creatures that inspire awe and wonder. These giants, often long-lived and slow to reproduce, are integral parts of their ecosystems, but many are facing growing threats from human activities. The Amazon rainforest, for example, is home to some of the tallest trees on Earth, including the giant kapok tree, which can reach heights of over 70 meters, or 230 feet. These trees, some over 500 years old, are vital for carbon storage and provide habitat for a diverse array of plant and animal life. In the ocean, whales, the largest animals on Earth, play a crucial role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. Their massive size and feeding habits influence the distribution of plankton, which forms the base of the marine food web. Protecting these giants is essential for preserving biodiversity, maintaining ecosystem services, and ensuring a healthy planet for future generations. Conservation efforts, such as establishing protected areas, reducing deforestation and pollution, and promoting sustainable fishing practices, are crucial for ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures. Section 6. The Power of One. Individual Actions. Global Impact. In the face of global environmental challenges, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and powerless. But the truth is that every individual has the power to make a difference. Our collective actions, no matter how small they may seem, can have a ripple effect, inspiring others and creating a wave of change. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can reduce our environmental footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Simple actions, such as reducing our energy consumption, conserving water, choosing sustainable products, and reducing our reliance on single-use plastics, can have a significant impact when adopted by millions of people. Beyond our personal choices, we can also make a difference by getting involved in our communities, supporting organizations working to protect the environment, and advocating for policies that promote sustainability. Remember, change starts with each one of us. By embracing a sense of responsibility for the planet and taking action, we can create a ripple effect that will be felt for generations to come.
Section 7. Seeds of Change. Inspiring the next generation. The future of our planet lies in the hands of the next generation. Instilling in children a love of nature, a sense of wonder about the earth, and an understanding of the importance of protecting it is crucial for creating a more sustainable future. Education plays a vital role in this endeavor. By providing children with opportunities to learn about the environment, to experience nature firsthand, and to engage in hands-on conservation activities, we can foster a sense of stewardship for the planet. Parents, educators, and community leaders all have a role to play in inspiring the next generation of environmental stewards. By modeling sustainable practices, sharing our love of nature, and encouraging children to explore the world around them, we can plant the seeds of change that will blossom into a brighter future. Remember, children are naturally curious and eager to learn. By nurturing their curiosity and providing them with the knowledge and skills they need to make a difference, we can empower them to become the guardians of our planet.
Reconnecting with nature. Finding solace and wonder. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel disconnected from nature. But reconnecting with nature is essential for our well-being. Nature soothes our souls and inspires creativity. Studies show it reduces stress and boosts mood. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or sitting under a tree, connecting with nature profoundly impacts our well-being. Nature offers awe and wonder, enriching our lives.
Celebrating Earth's diversity. Earth is home to a breathtaking array of ecosystems and species, and a tapestry of diverse cultures, each with its own unique relationship with nature. From the Inuit of the Arctic to the tribes of the Amazon, human cultures have developed intricate ways of life in tune with their environments. These cultures teach us about living sustainably and respecting Earth's limits. Indigenous knowledge systems contain a wealth of wisdom about the natural world. By celebrating and respecting cultural diversity, we can create a sustainable future for all.
Our legacy. Shaping a sustainable future. As we've journeyed through the wonders of Earth, from its towering mountains and vast oceans to its hidden caves and diverse ecosystems, we've witnessed both the planet's resilience and its vulnerability. We've seen the power of nature to create and destroy, to heal and to harm, and we've come to understand that our own fate is inextricably linked to the fate of this planet. The choices we make today will determine the legacy we leave for future generations. Will we continue down a path of unsustainable consumption and environmental degradation? Or will we choose a different path, one that honors our interconnectedness with nature and prioritizes the well-being of all living things? The challenges we face are great, but so too is our capacity for innovation, compassion, and collective action. By embracing sustainable practices, protecting biodiversity, mitigating climate change, and promoting social justice, we can create a future where humans thrive in harmony with nature. Let us be inspired by the wonders of Earth to create a legacy of stewardship, one that ensures a healthy and vibrant planet for generations to come. Our journey begins with a single step, a conscious choice, a commitment to making a difference. The future is in our hands. Let's make it a future worthy of this extraordinary planet we call home.
A journey's end, a deeper understanding. Our expedition through Earth's marvels draws to a close, yet its wonders resonate deeply within us. We began by gazing at our planet from space, a blue and green oasis in a sea of stars. That cosmic perspective reminded us of our planet's isolation and preciousness. We witnessed the raw power of volcanoes, the dance of the northern lights, and life at deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Each encounter a testament to Earth's dynamic forces. We ventured into Earth's vibrant ecosystems, from the lush Amazon rainforest to the coral cities of the Great Barrier Reef. We explored Antarctica's icy plains and delved into Earth's underground realms. Caves and minerals whispered tales of geological time. We've traced life's evolution from dinosaurs to mammals and our own species. We've seen how mass extinctions reshaped life and faced the reality of the sixth extinction. The unseen threads, interconnections, and consequences. Our journey has revealed a profound truth. Earth is not a collection of isolated parts, but a complex and interconnected system. The atmosphere, the oceans, the land, and all living things are bound together by invisible threads, their fates intertwined. The air we breathe, cleansed by forests and phytoplankton, connects us to the most distant corners of the globe. The water we drink, flowing from mountain springs and glaciers, sustains life across continents. The food we eat depends on the intricate web of life, from pollinators to soil microbes that make our planet habitable. But this interconnectedness also means that our actions have far-reaching consequences. Pollution released into the atmosphere in one part of the world can affect air quality and climate patterns thousands of miles away. Deforestation in the tropics can disrupt rainfall patterns, leading to droughts and floods in other regions. Overfishing in one part of the ocean can impact fish populations and marine ecosystems globally. Understanding these interconnections is essential for navigating the challenges of the 21st century. We can no longer afford to view ourselves as separate from nature, for our actions have profound and lasting impacts on the planet we call home. Section 3, Our Pale Blue Dot, A Cosmic Perspective. In 1990, as the Voyager 1 spacecraft was hurtling towards the edge of our solar system, it turned its camera back towards Earth, capturing a now iconic image of our planet from a distance of over 6 billion kilometers, or 3.7 billion miles. In that image, Earth appears as a tiny pale blue dot suspended in a beam of sunlight. Carl Sagan, the renowned astronomer and science communicator, reflecting on this image, wrote, "Look again at that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us. On it, everyone you love, everyone you know, everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever was, lived out their lives." Sagan's words serve as a powerful reminder of our shared humanity and the fragility of our existence. From the cosmic perspective, our differences fade away and we are united by our shared home, a tiny speck of dust suspended in the vastness of space. This cosmic perspective can be both humbling and inspiring. It reminds us of the preciousness of life on Earth and the importance of protecting our planet for future generations. Section 4. A Call to Action, Guardians of Our Future. Our journey through the wonders of Earth has been a celebration of our planet's beauty, diversity, and resilience. But it has also been a stark reminder of the challenges we face, from climate change and biodiversity loss to pollution and resource depletion. The future of our planet and our own future depends on the choices we make today. We are the first generation to fully understand the impact of human activities on Earth's systems, and we are the last generation with a chance to avert the worst consequences of our actions. The time for complacency is over. The time for action is now. Each one of us has a role to play in creating a more sustainable future. We can reduce our environmental footprint by making conscious choices in our daily lives. From the food we eat to the products we buy to the way we travel, we can support organizations working to protect the environment, advocate for policies that promote sustainability, and use our voices to raise awareness about the challenges we face. The future is not predetermined. It is something we create together. Section 5. Embracing wonder, rediscovering our place. As we strive to address the environmental challenges of our time, let us not forget the sense of wonder and awe that Earth inspires. It is this sense of wonder that connects us to the natural world, that reminds us of our place in the grand scheme of things, and that fuels our desire to protect our planet. Take the time to reconnect with nature. Go for a walk in the woods, sit by a lake, gaze up at the stars. Let the beauty of the natural world wash over you, reminding you of the preciousness of life on Earth. Share your love of nature with others. Teach your children about the environment. Volunteer for a conservation organization, or simply talk to your friends and family about the importance of protecting our planet. By spreading awareness and inspiring others to care, we can create a ripple effect that will be felt for generations to come. Remember, we are part of nature, not separate from it. By rediscovering our place in the web of life and embracing the wonder of the natural world, we can find the inspiration and motivation we need to create a more sustainable future. Section 6. Every day an Earth Day, living in harmony. Protecting our planet is not just a once-a-year event, it's a way of life. Every day we have the opportunity to make choices that honor our interconnectedness with nature and contribute to a more sustainable future. Let's make every day Earth Day by embracing sustainable practices in our homes, workplaces, and communities. Let's reduce our consumption, conserve resources, and minimize our impact on the environment. Let's support businesses and organizations that prioritize sustainability, advocate for policies that protect the environment, and hold ourselves and each other accountable for our actions. By weaving sustainability into the fabric of our lives, we can create a world where humans and nature thrive in harmony, ensuring a healthy and vibrant planet for generations to come. Section 7. A legacy of awe-inspiring generations to come. As we look to the future, let us be guided by the legacy of those who came before us, those who explored uncharted territories, who marveled at the wonders of the natural world, and who dedicated their lives to protecting our planet. Let us be inspired by the words of John Muir, the renowned naturalist and conservationist, who wrote, "In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks." Let us carry that sense of awe and wonder with us as we work to create a more sustainable future. Let us be the generation that turns the tide against environmental degradation, that restores balance to our planet's systems, and that leaves a legacy of stewardship for generations to come. Our children and grandchildren deserve to inherit a world where clean air and water are a given, where biodiversity thrives, and where the wonders of Earth continue to inspire awe and wonder. Section 8, Our Unbelievable Earth, a treasure worth protecting. As we conclude our journey through the wonders of Earth, let us remember that our planet is a rare and precious treasure, a cosmic oasis teeming with life in a universe that appears to be largely devoid of it. The Earth is our only home, and its fate is in our hands. Let us cherish this planet, protect its biodiversity, and safeguard its resources for future generations. Let us be the stewards of our time, ensuring that the wonders of Earth continue to inspire awe and wonder for millennia to come. Let us never lose sight of the fact that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, interconnected with all living things and dependent on the health of our planet for our own survival. Let us embrace the challenges of our time with courage, compassion, and a deep respect for the natural world. For Earth is not just a planet, it's a miracle, a symphony of life, a testament to the power of nature's creativity. Let us be worthy inheritors of this extraordinary legacy, and let us strive to create a future where humanity and nature thrive together in